If you have any questions, just let me know, guys. In January, there are more openings in IT. It's myth or reality? Not in January, in February, there are lots of hiring. We are expecting that 2025 will be good. See, what I personally feel is no recession, no layoff can take your job if you are a valuable asset to your company. First thing. See, when someone will hire you, you have to be valuable for them. If you are not valuable, now they should be completely dependent on you. If you are joining a company and you are running away from work, so you are not running away from work. You are actually running away from an opportunity. Now let's say you are engaged in like around 10 different projects. Can they fire you? They will think 100 times to fire you. 100 times. But all of those 10 projects will not work. What I personally feel, this generation, like of even my generation also, I am not so much old. What the problem is, we are focused on to the personal life more than the professional life. That no, we need to take rest, this, that. Okay, take it. But at least work accordingly. Your company should think twice to fire you. Twice. No. Without this person, we cannot work. You know how Sundar Pichai became the CEO of Google? He was a normal employee, but he was a very valuable asset. So his manager, actually, Microsoft offered him position that come to us, we will make you CEO. He went to his manager and and said that I want to resign. Microsoft is offering me. He said, okay, give me some time. He sent a form to all of other departments and asked that, is Sundar Pichai important for us? Everybody said, yes, we cannot work without him. And the manager promoted him. He got promoted. He became president, vice president, president, and then CEO. At first, he became the CEO of Google. Now he's the CEO of Alphabet. You know Alphabet? The parent company of Google, in which multiple companies are there. Now he's the CEO of Alphabet also. See, Arshad, they will only hire you if you have something in you. What you expect is, like, I'm not pointing to you that you are like that. I'm just giving a example. What fresher expects that we should be get hired with HTML and CSS and JavaScript. We will not develop any good project. We will not create something new. We don't know any logic. We don't know anything, but we need 10 LPA. This is the reality. Even my friend also, my class friend who did BTech with me, he is still jobless. Still, the problem is whenever I'm referring him, he can't answer anything. Even if he's answering, he will demand more. See, once you now I taught you media queries for responsive. How many of you know about it? Hardly 1 or 2%. In an entire batch of around 300 peoples. Match your expectations with your skills. If you have skills, people will call you. You don't have to go to them. In last three of my job, I didn't apply. I got a call that can you please join us in this way. In last three jobs I'm talking about, I didn't apply. I stopped applying a long back ago. Once you know something, you have your name in IT field, then companies will run behind you because it's a two-way communication. It's a two-way game. Two-way. Companies cannot work without you. You cannot earn without companies. Both need each other. It is an interdependency. Both are dependent on each other. Now, if you are a person who is just doing the time pass, it will take one particular minute to get you fired. 1 minute. I hope that no one should be get fired because everyone has a family to feed. Lots of things are there, but be a valuable asset. When I'm talking about that, be a valuable asset means learn something that others don't know. Talk to the person, those who knows, because they will guide you. Now, what you will do is see, uh, if I am here, generally I'm not from this AP and Telangana. I belongs to UP. I talk to my friends, like generally my college friends only when I'm going there. If I am here, I will talk to the persons who know something. It is not like that my friends don't know anything. Generally, you cannot talk serious with your friends. Those slapping each other, fighting with each other, abusing them. So something like that we do with our friends. And that's how it doesn't work. And what we are doing every time we are engaging with friends and we expect growth in life. So it's not possible. It is not at all possible. Why are you leaving X company? How much package in Naresh IT? It's too much, right? It's too much. You can search it online. It is available on lots of website. And what is available in websites? Mine is double of that because that is the old one. You can check it. Generally, what they will pay for Java full stack something like that. I am earning enough. My family is happy with that. I am happy with that. I don't need too much. It is good actually. And Karthik, I hope you will never ask this question to anyone else in your life. Asking the package, uh, it's not a professional thing. That shows that even I used to do the same thing. And I was a college student. Oh, what's your package? What you go? How much you are getting? When I started earning, I realized that no one is comfortable in giving that answer, even if they are earning good. If someone is telling you the salary means he is flexing or he or she is trying to impress. That's it. That's it. If someone is proudly saying it, no, no, I am this much earning, this, they are trying to impress only. I don't believe in that. Can you give some side to seek the jobs? Never ask a man his salary and woman her age. Exactly. Never ask. Both will give you a slap. So the thing works in this way. Don't run behind the package in starting. Do job for 1 year. In that 1 year, you will learn how thing works. Sacrifice yourself for 1 year. I sacrificed myself for around 2 years. You know what was my first salary? I think I have told it. No? Guess my first salary? 7,000. No. 5,000. Array, 5,000 it was. Arshad is saying 90,000. As a fresher, no, it was not. I was intern in eCart, 1,500. Somewhere, it was 5,000 actually. And I did that job for 5,000 for 7 continuous months. That is like my 1 day earning now. But I did that for 7 months. 7 months. With our work was too much. I used to work around 10 to 12 hours a day. But whatever I learned in that 7 month, I cannot learn in 2 years of learning. When you're developing something, then you learn. In trainings, you don't learn anything. Like whenever you are, okay, we will learn this. Sir, don't tell in the Naresh IT salary, but when leave the company, okay, search it. What is the Flipkart's ST2 salary? When I left Flipkart, search it. Software development engineer 2 salary in Flipkart. I was earning that much in Flipkart when I left Flipkart. Fine, guys, we'll connect again tomorrow. Have a nice time, everyone. You can drop the calls now.